Hey guys, a video on Rezolve AI. Now we talked about this potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move to the upside. Didn't happen. We were hugging the 618 here, but now we have really close below it, close below the point of control once again. So not gonna happen this one. It did have a nice attempt one more time, but as you can see here, zooming out, it has done the same for months now. Okay. Now that's why I just wrote point of control here. We're not gonna focus on this too much anymore, because if this is a 1-2 setup, this has now been taken so long that I'm not really certain anymore about it. Doesn't mean that we have to go down, but I don't think on this chart now that there's a lot of respect for Elliott Wave in here, unless we have to take this maybe as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a very ugly wave 1. Then we could say, okay, like this, still it's possible. Or we force it in here, wave 1, A, B, or W, X, maybe Y, X, Z, then very extended, yes, but we really need to hold this low. Okay, we can't go below this low. And I'm just not gonna label anything until we break this cluster here, because as you can see, we've been failing to go there. It's been like lower highs here consistently. So I just want to wait. So I think maybe it's wise to do this. This is your level you want to hold, okay, in green. And this is the level we want to break. And everything in between has been this choppy mess for months now, okay? Most important level inside this zone is this point of control. I'll take it once again because we have more data here. So $2.60, okay? We really need to get above that and hold above it to put pressure on the high. If we stay below it, it's the point of control of this whole range. We put pressure on this low. And once again, you don't want to lose this low. It's the only way that we can still count this as a wave 1 and a wave 2. Losing this, will put pressure on this low. And I think if we lose this, we will take this. And then this can turn into wave W, wave X, ABC, and a wave Y. And then we go lower before we do any move to the upside, okay? Also, the move here from the all-time low to the upside is very tricky. It looks more like a 3-wave move instead of a 5-wave move. But once again, in early stages when the stock is not so popular, you don't always have the Elliott Wave traders that are in control, okay? So this doesn't mean too much in my view that this is only a 3-wave move. That's okay. Does it really follow Elliott Waves nicely? Not yet. Really not yet. It's very tricky. But I think with what I know and with what I have from experience, it's the best to still count this as a potential 1-2 setup. And then whatever this is, whatever you want to interpret this as, for that we need to hold this low and we need to get above this point of control to put pressure on these highs. That's gonna be it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.